In this, the final section of this program, we will demonstrate the procedure for producing a double set bend. The double set bend is used typically for installing surface-mounted conduit runs into surface-mounted switches and distribution boards. Begin by threading the end with the desired length of thread as you were shown earlier. Fit a lock nut and thread it fully down the thread. Slip the bender onto the conduit and place the lip against the lock nut. Make a small set to begin with. Take the conduit to the box and check how much more bending is needed. The edge of the thread must be in line with the back of the entry when the conduit is held against the wall. In this example, a little more bending is needed. Repeat the bending process little by little. The bend is at the correct angle when the edge of the thread is in line with the back of the entry. To make the opposite set, fit the conduit back into the bender and position the bend to face downward. Set the bending lip at the end of the first bend as indicated. Bend the conduit up until the first set lies parallel to the ground. The conduit should now align directly into the entry. Complete the installation by securing the end with a lock nut and a bush if required, and saddling the conduit to the wall as necessary. This concludes the program about metal conduit. In the next part of the series, we will be looking at installation procedures for PVC and metal conduit. We look forward to having you participate in other Tech AV modules designed to help improve your technical knowledge and skills.